Okay folks, this is the very first radio-controlled electric motorcycle in the world. This is a Kraft Rider. In 1979 we came out with it, and when I worked at Kraft Systems.
It had unique steering that shifted the center of gravity to turn like a real bike, and a real chain.
And today we are going to see the latest version. Now that was 47 years ago. Bryant is going to show us what that is.
Alright, so this is the latest Losi Pro-Moto MX bike. This is a ready to run one. This has the latest technology in it. It has a flywheel in it. It has the updated controller up to the latest spectrum. It's got a AVC in it, so it controls the steering of it, and it has 3 different modes: a wheelie, a dirt, and an on-road mode.
A wheelie mode, huh?
Yep.
So what's on it? Why don't you show me? You got a real chain there.
Yep.
That's great.
Got a real chain that comes with chain lube to lube your chain. It also has a real disc, like on a real motorcycle, real dirt bike.
Wow.
And then it's got licensed tires on it. Here's the steering. Goes back and forth as to like the older one, where it goes a little different direction, but it's still the same thing. And then the big coilover shock in the rear there. And then the battery goes in the back in the tray here.
What size battery is that?
This is a 5200 milliamp 2S battery. This is only runs
2S,
on 2S.
7.4.
Yep, 7.4 volts. Yep.
Okay, well let's see how it goes.
All right.
All right, we're going to turn it on now. What is the turn on procedure?
All right, so the first thing you always, with any radio control, you want to turn on the remote. Now this one has a LiPo reading on the battery if you have the Spectrum with the Spectrum ESC, but I don't have a Spectrum battery, so it's not going to let you know.
Okay.
So you turn that on, you set this down, you hit the power button on this side, and you let that do its thing. You want to check if you have steering. Then you go ahead and on the remote here, click flywheel on. And it takes 30 seconds to wind up.
Listen to that thing wind up.
Alright, so I think it's at full pitch and we're ready to go.
Well, that sure sounds more precise than the little motorcycle that I have with a flywheel.
Oh, look at that!
Awesome, look at that. Okay. That's cool. See the ramp. There's cool.
I think it's a wheelie mode now.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh.
I think that's a wheelie mode. That ain't it. Well, that ain't it.
Oh, that's... Whoa, that's pretty good. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that,
Yeah, no
Brian.
problem.
I mean, that's nice, really
Yeah.
nice. Look at that.
Go ahead and turn it off.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. It's winding down.
I think they say it takes about a minute. And if you don't leave the radio on, it takes 5 minutes. Because it's got a drag brake inside.
I could hear it.
And there it is.
That is cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Sweet.
showing that to me. I gotta tell you, I love it.
Yeah, it's sweet.